In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion page for your marketing campaign. We're going to build a simple but effective campaign workspace that helps you stay organized from the early planning stage all the way through final review. The goal is to keep everything in one place so your ideas, tasks, and results are easy to manage. Start by creating a new page in Notion for your marketing campaign. Give it a clear title so you can quickly recognize it later. This page will act as your main campaign hub, so it should be the place where all key information lives. Next, add the foundation of the campaign: your goal, your target audience, your offer, and your timeline. Your goal should explain what success looks like, whether that's generating leads, increasing sales, or improving awareness. Your target audience should describe who the campaign is meant to reach. Then include the offer, which is what you're promoting, and finally the timeline, so you can see when the campaign starts, what milestones matter, and when it ends. Having these details at the top of the page gives everyone immediate context. After that, create a task database for the campaign work. This is where you'll manage all the action items needed to move the campaign forward. Think of it as your operational control center. Each task should represent a specific piece of work that needs to be planned, assigned, and completed. Now add the key properties to your database: owner, status, priority, due date, and channel. The owner makes it clear who is responsible for each task. Status helps you track progress, such as planning, in progress, or complete. Priority helps you focus on what matters most. Due date keeps deadlines visible, and channel lets you label the task by where it belongs, such as email, ads, or social media. These properties make your database much easier to sort, filter, and review. Once that's done, add sections on the page for content, ads, email, social media, and results. These sections help separate the campaign into clear work streams. That makes it easier to store notes, ideas, creative direction, and updates in a structured way without mixing everything together. As work begins, track each task from planning to completion. Update statuses regularly so your page reflects what's actually happening. This is especially helpful when multiple tasks are moving at once and you need a quick view of progress. Finally, review the campaign results and update your notes for future campaigns. Use this final section to capture what worked, what didn't, and what you'd improve next time. That way, your Notion page becomes more than a tracker. It becomes a resource you can learn from every time you launch something new.